Hi guys, how can you create a colored circles overlay portrait effect in Photoshop like this? Go to File New and create a new document with a white background. Make it full screen. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Now choose the Move tool. Hold Alt and drag the circle to create copies. Press Ctrl+T if you want to resize them. Make some circles small, some medium, and some large for variation. Repeat the same process to create multiple circles. Change the color of some circles, make the design colorful. You can choose yellow, blue, pink, or any color you like. After creating all the circles, hold the Shift key and select all the shape layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go to File, Place Embedded, and insert your portrait image. Press Ctrl+T to adjust and position the image properly. Place it in the center where it looks balanced. If needed, create more colorful circles around the portrait using the same Alt+Move tool. Adjust their sizes and colors for a more dynamic look. And that's it. This is how you can create a colored circles overlay portrait effect in Photoshop.